Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings, enter display, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Firstly, we can change between light and dark mode, and we can schedule the dark mode between sunset to sunrise or custom. Next, we can change manually brightness level, enable or disable automatic brightness and sunlight mode, change anti-flicker mode between regular or anti-flicker, enable or disable reading mode, change its mode between classic and paper, and schedule it. Then we can change color scheme between vivid, saturated, original, and advanced, which means manual, then we can change refresh rate between default or custom, 60 Hz or 120 Hz. Next, we can manage AI image engine. We can enable or disable super resolution, AI image enhancement, AI HDR enhancement, and MEMC. Then we can change text size, manage when device is in VR, and in the end, enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.